Thanks. Title 42, the public health order by the administration to turn away most migrants and asylum seekers at the border due to COVID-19 is ending today.
That is, unless the Biden administration decides to extend it. Our Washington correspondent Alexandra Limon joining us live right now with more on what exactly officials expect if the rules do change. Alexandra, good morning.
Hi there, good morning. Well, last year the U.S. saw a record number of people arriving at the border, and now U.S. border officials say that if Title 42 comes to an end, we can expect those numbers to possibly rise even higher.
Texas Republican Congressman Tony Gonzalez posted these pictures on Twitter showing a group of 187 migrants apprehended by U.S. Border Patrol agents Sunday in Eagle Pass.
It is as bad as it's ever been. It's only getting worse.
Congressman Gonzalez says there will be a huge spike in the number of migrants arriving at the southern border if the Biden administration allows Title 42 to end. Title 42 is a public health rule that allowed border officials to immediately expel migrants because of the pandemic.
What you're going to see is a humanitarian crisis on steroids.
Title 42 expires Wednesday.
They have no plan in place to deal with what is already a disaster.
Republicans and some Democrats urged the administration not to end the policy without a clear plan to help border communities deal with the influx.
To address it, both from a public health perspective as well as from the perspective of Customs and Border Patrol.
The Congressional Hispanic Caucus urges the Biden administration to end the use of Title 42, which was initially implemented under the Trump administration. Congressman Juan Vargas said in a tweet, Title 42 was never about public health. It was a way to keep people seeking refuge and protection out. The White House says any decision on the future of Title 42 is up to the CDC.
And we are currently reviewing the data and evaluating it right now.
And CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says an announcement about whether Title 42 will be kept in place can be expected at any time. Reporting live in Washington, Alexandra Limon.